Hey everybody, this is Ozzy from Victoria Property Group, and today I have a beautiful 5 to 6 bedroom home located on Cedar Hill Road here in beautiful Victoria. Let's take a look. Thank you for watching the tour. This is Ozzy with Victoria Property Group. If you have any questions or would like to book a viewing, feel free to reach out. Thank you.